Hey there and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up Prettier for VS Code. In case you're wondering what Prettier actually is. Well, Prettier is an extension for Visual Studio Code, and it's a code formatter that's commonly used among developers. It helps you organize your code and set up some basic rules with your team. Now, how it actually works. Here it is. See, the code that was so cluttered and messed up before, I just pressed Ctrl and save, and it went all into a nicely organized HTML element. Now, to set up Prettier, here we are in VS Code. We're going to the Extensions tab, and here search for Prettier. The first one is what we're looking for. You simply press install. After that, Prettier has been added to our page, but it's not quite working yet. What we need to do is go to File, Preferences, and Settings. Inside the settings, we are going to search for Formatter. I already have it set, but you would have none set here by default. And what you need to do is find Prettier here. This will be your default formatter. What I've also set, and I personally think they are absolutely useful, is format on paste, so that if you have a code snippet that you've copied from somewhere and it's not formatted, not pre-formatted, then when you paste it, it will automatically be formatted by Prettier. The other one is format on save, so that when you are working, you save your file and it will automatically get formatted the right way. Coming down, here are some other things you can set. It is the formatter. You can set CSS and some other languages. But if you search for Prettier, here are what you can set in the Prettier settings. One that I personally use is the Prettier print width. You can set what's the line limit. So it's 80 characters. It has to fit into that 80 characters. And if it's more than that, then it will format, it will break the lines. And so you can personalize all of this as you need. So now if I come back and start messing this up, if I press save now, Prettier is working. Really that simple to set it up. So that's it for setting up Prettier. It's actually really simple. I hope you learned from it. If you did, make sure to leave a like below and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these simple tutorial videos. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.